Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you two things that you can do to reduce Fortnite lag on the Nintendo Switch. So for the first thing, we'll just click on the plus sign here and we want to go into the settings. So just go down like this and choose the settings. Okay, so once you have selected the settings, again we'll click on settings, and here we want to press the right button until we go to language and region. And here where it says matchmaking region, make sure it's either turned on to auto or just go between the other regions and see which one actually gives you the least amount of ping. So this one on auto gives me 34 ms. The others will give me 125, 177, so on and so forth. So here you can either do it on auto or just go one by one and choose a different region. Now that's the first thing that you want to do. The second thing that I suggest doing is just closing out of Fortnite like that and going to your settings. So click on the settings. Now scroll down until you see controllers and sensors. Click on controllers and sensors, and you want to turn off controller vibration. So usually this takes up a lot of resources, so just click on the A button here and turn off controller vibration and see if that makes a difference. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.